When gluing the pendulum, squeeze the glue into the tube. Twist the rod as you push it in. This will help spread the glue. To be on the safe side, just squeeze in some more glue. Allow the glue to dry before you add the second rod. When you add the second rod, the air in the tube will compress and start to push the rod back out again. Just keep pushing it back until the glue grips. Glue on the heavier bob, which is the one with the metal washer inside. Thread the pendulum through the holder and screw the ring stop in place. As the arbor is slightly thicker than the ball bearing hole in which it sits, the arbor needs to be thinned. Keep thinning until the ball bearing slides on with no resistance at all. Once finished, polish the arbor with a fine steel wool. The arbor must be so loose that it will just fall through the ball bearing into the frame. Screw the pendulum to the arbor and insert it into the mounted clock. To test that the pendulum is able to swing properly, push it to 5 o'clock and let go. The pendulum is at the end of the gear train and as such receives the least amount of drive force, which is why it is essential that it swings with as little friction as possible. From release until the pendulum stopped was 52 seconds. Anything under 30 seconds needs to be corrected. Now the clock is mounted and fully wound, the pendulum should, after a short push, start swinging. It is important that the anchor dips into the escapement wheel equally on both sides. As you can see here, the left side dips deeper than the right. To correct this, hold the pendulum and lift the anchor slightly. There is enough give in the couplings so you do not have to loosen them. Repeat the process until you have equilibrium.